What is going on, everybody? It's Steven here and welcome back to another tech review. Now today is something different because I just bought a new webcam today for some Facecam videos like Oculus Rift and also some gaming videos, and I just decided to do a quick review on it because the webcam is really awesome and definitely one of the best webcams which you can get right now. Okay, then I would say let's get directly started and let's have a look at the Logitech C920. Alrighty guys, now here you can see the specs of the webcam, and yeah, some of the things here are in German because I bought it in my local electronics store here in Austria. And yes, it's the C920, so here on the right side marked in blue. It can record in full HD, so that's pretty good. Also in Skype it's possible to use it in full HD. It comes with a 15 megapixel sensor, so you can capture pictures with a resolution of 15 megapixels. Then it comes with H.264 encoding. The video quality here is rated with 3+, and yeah, that just means it's better than the C310 and the C615. The lens is really awesome. It's a Carl Zeiss optics. So yeah, made in Germany and really good quality. It comes with a 20-step autofocus, so it's really accurate but a bit too sensitive in my opinion. And it comes with a integrated stereo microphone. And this is also pretty good because it improves the audio quality a bit. Now, I had a webcam with a mono microphone and I think the audio quality is here a bit better on the C920 with stereo microphone. Alrighty guys, now that are the specs, and I would say let's get started and let's have a look at the camera and what we can find here inside of the package. Now there we go guys, so I have already unpacked the camera for you, and inside of the package you can just find the webcam and a user manual with a installation CD. But that's everything, so a really big box, but only those things here are included. Now yeah, it comes with a user manual, but the webcam is so easy to use. It's really plug and play, but you have to install the software. We'll have a look at this a bit later. Now yeah, here you can see the webcam and it looks really good. Now the lens here, the glass on the front side looks absolutely awesome, and I would say let's have a look at some close-ups. So here on the glass you can see that the lens and the glass here is made by Carl Zeiss. And it's a factory which exists for a very long time. They also make rifle scopes. I have one on my sniper, on my K98 sniper, and yeah, it's just really good glass quality, just like Swarovski or something here in Austria. And yeah, I can definitely say the quality of the lens absolutely nice. Then this webcam also comes with two microphones, so one on the left side and one on the right side under those plastic grids here, and yeah, the front side looks like really high quality. So I absolutely love the design, and there are also some blue LEDs which you cannot see right now, but you will see them when the webcam is turned on. Then here on the back side you can see that the cable is coming out here, and the cable is 1.8 meters long, comes with a USB 2.0 connector, but you can also connect it to a USB 3.0 port. It's fully compatible, so there's no problem with that. Yeah, pretty good because you don't need a power source, you just have to connect it to USB and you're ready to go. So we now had a look at the webcam from the front side and back side, but now let's have a look at the mounting system and how to adjust the angle here. Now you can easily flip it here, so this is the maximum angle upwards and this is downwards. So yeah, the best thing is to place it on your monitor, so you can flip it here a bit more down than up. Now it's really cool that you don't have to mount the camera here on your monitor. You can also use a camera stand or something, because here we have a metal thread. That means you can screw in here a camera tripod or something and you can just place it wherever you want to. That's pretty cool. Then you can also flip up and adjust this mounting clip here to make it fit on smaller or bigger monitors. Yeah, you can mount it wherever you want to. Then you can also flip up this one here. I'm not sure how to mount it correctly, but I think this needs to be closed, but yeah, I have no idea. Anyways, it sits pretty good on my monitor, it looks very nice, it doesn't move, and what I absolutely love is that you can place it on a camera stand, so a tripod or something. That's a pretty cool idea. Then now I would say let's go and let's check out the camera in action. Okay guys, so I have now mounted the webcam here on my monitor, so let's quickly check it out. And when the webcam is on, you can see it lights up here in blue. So on the left side and on the right side we have such a blue LED ring, and this looks absolutely great here with the black design of the webcam. Now yeah, the other thing here on my monitor is not a webcam, so this is just a camera for head tracking for Oculus. and you will later see it in my Oculus videos. But yeah, the webcam here really good. You can adjust the angle, you're always in the picture, it's really wide angle, and I would say let's get started and let's have a look at the camera quality and how to install it. Alrighty guys, we're now here on the computer and the Logitech webcam software is already installed. So it's very easy to do, so you just have to connect the webcam to the computer and install this Logitech Webcam Software. And yeah, you can download the webcam software from logitech.com or just use the CD. So if you don't have a CD drive, it doesn't matter, just download the software. Okay, so it's now installed, and once it's installed, you can run here the Logitech Webcam Software, and then you will see the screen here. First of all, we have here options, okay? Now here you can adjust where you want to save videos, photos, or whatever. Also, we have some pretty cool thing which is called motion detection, and I'm not sure now what this can do, but we'll check it out a bit later. Now yeah, here you can also set your email application and whatever. Here updates for the software, quick capture, so here you can adjust the microphone input level. Now if it's too loud, then just go a bit down here, and if it's not loud enough, then just raise the volume. Then here in the options you can also set the audio recording quality, so the sound quality and the video quality. I will later set it to lossless, and this gives you the best quality but also the biggest file size. Okay, so that are basically the options here. Then I would say let's go quickly here to quick capture and let's check out the quality and let's do a quick camera test. But yeah, I still have my big microphone right over here, and I will now switch to the webcam microphone, so just give me a minute because I have to reconfigure this in Windows. Alrighty guys, I have now switched the audio source. We should now use the webcam, and you can probably hear it, so it sounds different. I'm currently about 1 meter away from the webcam, so it doesn't sound that good, and I would definitely recommend to use a headset or probably a big microphone or whatever you want to. Now let's talk a bit about the camera quality. I'm now here in the basement, so I don't have any natural light, there are no windows, and I just have the two softboxes, and the light is not that good. So natural light would make the images much better. But I have to say, even though we don't have good light here, it looks perfectly awesome. Just check this out here. And yeah, you can capture here photos and videos. Let's just have a look here at the video mode. Now you can just start capturing right over here, but we also have here some controls, okay? Now it's possible to zoom in, that's a pretty good thing. But if you have the resolution on full HD, you can only zoom in like this. It's not possible to zoom in a bit more. But if you lower the resolution like to 720p, then you can see you can zoom in a bit more like this here. And it still looks okay, so that looks still great. Now the autofocus is sometimes not really accurate, like if you raise your hand, it's very sensitive, then it starts to focus. Maybe a bit too sensitive, but yeah, let's go back here. Okay, full HD, and the lowest resolution is 360p, doesn't look good at all, so use 720p or full HD. Okay, then yeah, here you can enable widescreen, which should be always widescreen, yes. Then we have here follow my face. This option is useless because it focuses all the time, and I really don't have a clue what it does because I can also not tick it. Maybe it's just a software bug or something. Then we have here right sound and right light. Not sure what this is doing, we can uncheck this. And I think this automatically adjusts the sound and the lighting, but I'm not really sure about this. Then here we have autofocus. Like, you can also just disable the autofocus if you want to. Okay guys, my fucking screen recorder just crashed and I'm using Camtasia Studio and it has some problems with recording picture-in-picture, so sometimes it randomly crashes. I'm really sorry for that. Now we have your autofocus, you can disable it if you want to, and this can be quite useful, for instance if you want to focus on objects in the background, if you don't want to show yourself, or for instance if you want to focus on some smaller objects like this one and you want to get some close-ups. So let's try this. Here a close-up of the Xiaomi Yicam, and close-ups look really good. I'm now holding it about 1 or 2 centimeters away from the camera, so yeah, it's a extreme close-up, looks really sharp. But in order to get such good close-ups, you have to disable autofocus. Now if you try it with autofocus, then you really have to hold it very steady, otherwise the camera can't focus. And yeah, definitely if you want to have some good close-ups, then just disable the autofocus. Okay, now we also have here some advanced settings, we can quickly check them out, so they're hidden here. And in there you can set image quality, Or for instance the colors here like gain, exposure, brightness, contrast, but I would keep that on default, because if you play around with this, then also some other things like the white balance will maybe not work. But you can adjust here contrast, brightness, and also the color intensity, so pretty cool things. Also you can flip the image if you want to mirror it. Okay, no, it's not working. For some reason I can sometimes not tick some options, like also the, where was it? I think right over here, follow my face. I cannot tick it, I'm not sure why. Maybe if someone has the same webcam, I would be really glad if someone could post a comment down below if it's working for you or not. Okay, then device info. Yeah, you can just choose here anti-flicker if you want to, like NTSC, PAL or off. And yeah, for me it looks the best with 50 Hertz because we have here the softboxes. Then webcam control, it's basically the same like right over here. So that are the advanced options. And if you fuck it up, just go here to restore to defaults, and then you have the default settings again. Okay, let's go out of here. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you can start to capture anything right over here. 3, 2, 1. Now it starts to capture a video. Then here you can stop, but you cannot pause. Okay, that's not possible for some reason. Would be cool, but yeah, it's not possible. You can switch here to photo mode if you want to. I will also just upload some sample pictures. 3, 2, 1, smile. And photos and videos should be saved in the path here, under the path here, which you can find in the options, like see username, your username, videos, and Logitech webcam or pictures. So yeah, we also have a motion detection. I'm not sure how you can enable this because I couldn't find the option here in the Logitech Webcam software. I think somehow when you start to move, then it captures, or I don't know really. Okay, then we have here in video mode also the option to disable the audio source if you don't want to record audio, and also to switch the audio source. For instance, if you don't like the audio quality from the webcam, you can use a headset, you can use a big microphone or a mobile headset or whatever you want to, okay? Bluetooth headset, basically everything here is possible. Alright guys, so basically that's it. That are all the features here in the Logitech Webcam software. I think it's pretty cool. You can use that camera for Skype, I don't know, Twitch, Facecam, whatever you want to. It works really, really good. And I would say I will now show you some quality tests in full screen so you can just check for yourself how the quality looks like. But I really have to say it's the best looking webcam I've ever tested. Looks even better than on many of my smartphones. But yeah, it's quite expensive, with about 90 to 100 euro depending on where you buy it. Alright guys, and let's go and let's have a look at some quality tests. Alright guys, so we're now here at the end of this review of the Logitech C920 webcam. And this is definitely the best webcam I've ever used, but also the most expensive one. Now before this one I had a creative webcam for 20 euro and it was a piece of shit. It couldn't even record in HD and the overall quality was not good. So I upgraded now to the C920 and it's awesome for a simple webcam, but also very expensive. Now many people will say, hey, you could use your smartphone as a webcam, you could use your DSLR as a webcam, but if you stream or something and you don't have that much time, then you just want to start the program and go. And this is only possible with such a simple webcam. So you just connect it and yeah, it works with Skype, with Twitch, with, I don't know, with every application which uses a webcam. So the Logitech C920 is definitely worth it for content creators, for instance let's players here on YouTube, which need a Facecam or something, or streamers on Twitch. It's also pretty good. Because the quality, as you can see, is really good, I'm currently recording here in full HD, maximum picture size here, and it's lossless quality currently. So 1 minute is about 50 megabytes big, or actually small, because this is a very small file size for 1 minute. Now close-ups also look really good. I can also definitely recommend this beer here. It's from the Czech Republic and it's tasty. Okay, yeah, close-ups pretty good, just the autofocus is sometimes not too accurate. But you can see the quality is still good here if you don't have natural lighting. I'm definitely impressed by the quality of this webcam, but as I've said, it's expensive. Now just see it as a investation and you get the money back. For instance, if you're popular on YouTube, if you get a lot of subs, then you also make money like I do, for instance, and yeah, you get this back pretty fast actually. And also your audience will enjoy it, because good quality mostly means people will watch your videos. Because if you have bad quality like a VG80 webcam, nobody will watch it. But yeah, that's my personal opinion. Just decide for yourself if it's worth it. For me, definitely worth it. Awesome camera, so check it out, guys. Link is down below. And it's now 2 AM. I definitely need to go to sleep. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day and bye bye. See ya!